to my channel, Roam with G. And today's adventure is going to be staying in a tiny trailer. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. And if the surrounding area looks familiar, it's because I've been here before, but I stayed in the tree tent pod, which is pretty amazing. Now this trailer isn't really ready as a rental per se, but the owners of the property were kind enough to let me stay here anyway. Super efficient with their storage space setup. And what's really cool about this little trailer is that these little windows that you can open and close. Cupboards. And then down here, there's more storage. Utensils, knickknacks, pots and pans. And then you got your refrigerator, microwave. Now everything in here will be updated. Again, this is not ready for rental, but the owners were kind enough to let me stay in this anyway. I just wanted to experience and show y'all what a tiny trailer can look like, and that way you guys can experience it with me as well. And this door here, right now they're using it as storage, but it is where the shower and toilet would be. This trailer is really tiny, but really efficient. There's a lot of things here that they did that makes the space look bigger than it is. This wraps up the tiny trailer tour for right now. And if you have any questions, leave comments in the section below. And yeah, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Let's go outside ahead and check out the canvas tent. It's huge and awesome. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Wow, look at this. It is huge. Back in July, I stayed in a similar tent like this. It's made out of canvas. But this one is different, and this one is a lot bigger and beautiful just as well. Let's go ahead and take a tour. Hopefully we'll be able to get out on today's lake. I'm not sure, it's really windy outside, so we'll see what the weather permits, all right? In the meantime, just gonna gather some wood, get the fireplaces sort of ready, and then that way tonight it will be ready to ignite and warm us up. I'm gathering the small wood for the fire tonight. Woo! Hello, I'm still here. Just chilling. Son of Thor is running behind a little today because of the high winds, but he will be here shortly. The fireplace is all set up for tonight, so yeah. Woo! If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you want notifications to tell you when a new video is out of mine, go ahead and hit the notification button, and it'll give you first notifications of when my video is uploaded. For those of you who are new to my channel and haven't seen the video of the tree pod tent, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all now, because on this property there's 3 different camping zones, and each area has its own privacy, its own private land or area per se. And this tent pod is pretty amazing. If you look back to the video of the tree tent pod adventure, you'll see, as you can see, it's in its own private location. If you want to see more, just check out the video I did. Gonna head to a Dollar General store to get some meat. Hopefully they have some meat out here. Oh yeah! Ew, I'm so emo. Looks like I'm entering a little town. Okay, I'm gonna go into the store. So I always feel weird going to small town stores, I don't know why.
But the rain stopped falling, and the line on the floor was crossed. And the pain I'd been feeling washed away to return another day. I was cold, I was bold, I had fragmented my soul into pieces.
They turned the electricity on, so we were able to bake pizza. You enjoying your pizza, Tom?
I am. They're excellent.
Son of Thor likes it. Oh, yeah.
I was old, I was young, I was...
All right, I'm in the trailer. Everything's locked, and I'm going to go ahead and call it a night, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. I'm going to make coffee, breakfast, and then Tom and I are going to head out. He's already on his way. Thanks for watching. This concludes the adventure, and we will see you next time on Rome